Hello friends, let's continue the lesson. Yeah, the gift of chapels. The previous classes we learned that Mridu went to the house of their mama, and there she met her cousin sisters and brothers Ravi and Lallu, and they also found a cat there, and the brother and sister put the cat the name Mahendran. Here starting with their Mahendran. This little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mrudu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. So the name of the cat was Mahendran. The name of the Mahendran, the name of that cat actually was a real name, not like a cat name, kitty cat name. So that was very interesting for Mrudu. So she is very impressed with that. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Varma Pallava Pune, MP Pune, for short, if you like. He is fine, a breed of cat. Just look at his fur, like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? He looked exactly Mrudu. Mrudu giggled. So, again, Ravi is explaining about that cat. So, actually, his full name is Mahendra Varma Pallava Pune, and Pallava is a dynasty was a dynasty of ancient Tamil Nadu. So, they put the name, a very rich name for the cat Mahendra Varma Pallava Pune. MP Pune for short, if you like. If you want to call the cat, you can call him MP Pune. Pune means cat. In Tamil, Pune means a cat. His fine breed of cat. It's a different types of breed means different types of a breed of cat. Just look at his fur. Fur means the mane, like the hair that you can see on the स्किन. वो जो बिल्ली के ऊपर एक हेयर रहता है ना, वो हेयर से फर लाइक ए लायंस मीन. ये शेर का सिर के ऊपर से हम एक बाल दिखते हैं ना, वो बाल को बोलता है मी. लायंस मीन दैट बाल, वो बाल को बोलता है मी. एंड यू नो दैट what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was, not you? He looked expectantly Mridu. So again, Ravi is explaining about the Pallava kingdom. Uh, he's again asking, do you know what is the ancient Pallava kings emblem? Emblem means a symbol. Symbol. He looked Mridu. And Mridu was actually giggling. Giggling means laughing. Think I am joking? Again, he's asking, do you think that I am joking? Well, just wait. I will show you sometimes. It's clear you don't know thing about history. Haven't been Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of this Tata's Tata, and Tata's Tatas, etc., etc. And the fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat. So, he says that when he went to Mahabalipuram was the capital of that ancient Pallava kingdom. So there he saw a statue that is about a cat, and that cat was actually Tata means grandfather, grandfathers. Whose grandfather? The cat, this cat, Mahendran. This cat's ancestor means tatas means grandfathers. Grandfather was that cat. Which cat? That Pallava dynasty's cat. So this cat is also a part of that Pallava dynasty. Simply, he is mentioning that a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion, which means uh, the cat is also a family of lion. So this cat is derived from that ancient Pallava kingdom, or the symbol of that statue of that lion. This lion from derived from that. Sorry, this cat is derived from that statue of that lion. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. So the Pallava lion was the symbol of that Pallava dynasty, and this cat is derived from that lion. Ravi went on walking around the bitterberry bush, waving and twig up and down, his eyes sparkling that the cat is descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. And if I may just remind you that the worshipped cats in the ancient Egypt. And he again says that he was roaming around that bush, that bitterberry bush, and he's again says that this cat is actually derived from that old ancient Rishi cat. Rishi cat means that lion, the symbol of that statue of that lion. This cat is derived from that Rishi cat, which means that lion. And he again proving that again he says that और फिर भी बोल रहा है कि they worshipped the cats in ancient Egypt. पुराना इजिप्ट में क्या लोग क्या लेते थे? The cat is also a god. They worshipped means पूजा करते थे. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mridu exchanged looks. What does that they have with anything? Mridu demanded. I am telling you that cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god. No, goddess, bastard. Yeah, that it is. So again he says that, Ravi says that it's derived from, it's actually came from Egypt. The name of the goddess was Bastet. उधर की एक देवता की नाम है Bastet. So this cat is came from Egypt. So Bastet is considering as the one of the goddess of Egypt. So that's all for today. The upcoming session we can discuss in the upcoming classes.